Hello guys everyone, welcome back to another video of Spaddy Gaming guys. Today I will be making and showing you how to make a good thumbnail. This is the thumbnail that I just made from Fall Guys only guys, and I will be telling you for that guys you have to go to the PicsArt. You have to select on the App Store or Google Store. You have to search PicsArt. See the spelling guys carefully, and this is the app. I have already downloaded the app guys, so I won't download it. Make sure that you have downloaded. Most of you knows about PicsArt already guys, how PicsArt works and everything. In this video guys I will tell you how to properly use it. Some people find it difficult or something, but it's the easiest app guys I ever found it, and it's so crazy guys. I will tell you, like as you can see guys on the left also, it's showing you the video of how to edit. So it's like you can see this video as well, and look at the things guys it's making it so cool. Okay, now guys let me come back. Suppose if I want to make a thumbnail of Fall Guys, okay, if I want to make a thumbnail of Fall Guys, so let me tell you how I made the thumbnail properly. Okay, I choose the random picture from Google guys. I just write it here, Fall Guys. You can make any guys, BGMI, GTA, any of the thumbnail, and I have selected any pic. You can select any pic from here guys, any pic you want. Okay, or if you like any kind of specification, you can choose it after it. After selecting the pic guys, what I have done is blurred it guys. How you can blur it guys? On the effects guys, there is an option called blurred. Okay, in the second, you can choose it guys. There are different options. You can choose it blur. It's your choice guys. I will be choosing it blur guys, because blur is good. So I will be choosing blur guys. I want the background image to get blurred. Okay, after choosing it guys, what I will do, I will put a color on it guys. I will put a color on it. How you can put a color is like, it's your choice guys, whether you want to put a background or not, whether you want to put a color or not. It's your choice guys. Some people don't use the color, some people just make the background blur and then enter the stuffs, but some people choose like the background should be like plain and then enter the stuff guys. It's your choice, it's your call totally. So here are the multiple options of plain color background guys. You will find each and every color guys over here. If you do not find any of the color guys, search on Google. You can also choose images from your profile also guys. So after getting it orange guys, what I can do is, like, if I choose add photos, I choose like plain color to red. Okay, if I choose plain color to red, what I can do guys is make it in the opacity. I can make it a little bit fade away or more. It's your choice guys, how you want to plan it. Even it's like, if you don't like it, you can cross it, you can zoom it, you can do anything you want guys. So just choose a color on it. Okay, and after choosing the color guys, I added a right side guys. I added a tilted pick on the right side as my pick. Okay, so it's your call whether you want to choose it or not. And after that guys, it's like, you after putting it, you can don't write plain color backgrounds guys in the sticker options. Okay, don't write. You have to click on the add photos free images, then on the plain color. Okay, let me call it a purple color, not this one. Where is a good purple? This is a good color. Okay, so I can choose this guys. Because of the orange and purple mixture, I can do it like this, make it large, and can adjust it. You can zoom in the pic size, which is the important thing that we have. In some of the apps you cannot zoom it that much, but in PicsArt it's the advantage. So see, this is my base. Your background should look cool. It's your choice guys. If you want to make the orange color to full, I have no issues guys. If you make it like totally dark, put the orange color on it, it's have no issues guys, no issue at all. After doing it guys, go to the stickers and select Fall Guys. If you are making a thumbnail for Fall Guys, if you are making anything else, if you are making GTA, Franklin, Michael, anything you want to choose, any online character, even you can choose your character also guys, and you can cut out it. Okay, put cutouts of it. Okay, I like this ninja standing over here. Let me put the ninja here. Okay, and okay, if I like this, but I want it to face on the left side, so what I will choose guys is flip and rotate. I will rotate it and put it on this side. Okay, I want the title of Fall Guys. I want the banner of it, so I will choose it and put it in between, and I will choose this crown pick over here and put it in the center of it. Okay, if I it's like if Fall Guys is not looking that much dark, I can put it as well as dark. Okay, this is how it works. Okay, okay, I want it like this and like this. Okay, this is how it is done, guys. You can make the ninja bigger, it's your choice. If you're BGMI, you can make 2 things, 3 things, any of the thing, guys. It's your call totally. Okay, and suppose guys, what is the most attractive part is live text. Okay, live text is very very important, guys. So just search live text over here, you will get bunch of options. Okay, I sometimes like this because orange background is there, so I will like this, so I will put it like that. And if sometimes guys, sometimes if I'm seeing like Fall is not looking cool, it will look good in here or something else, I can do one thing, guys. I can just remove it, put it here, make it like this. Okay, I will choose the ninja over here. Okay, the placement is very important, guys. The placement is very very important, guys. How you look at your stuffs and how you place it. Okay, okay, if I put make ninja small, it comes here. And for the center part, guys, is like again I will go back to Fall Guys and choose any of the skins that like anyone you like, guys. Okay, I like the crown skin. Okay, so I will make it a little bit bigger. That's it. If you want to add some small, it's like it does not mean, guys, you have to fill the thumbnail to the fullest. It's like if I want to add up, I can add like small players over here also, it looks good. Overall, guys, overall it should look good. And that's the basic part. The base is very very important, guys. Most people don't know about the base. They search for the base, guys, and everything. They go for the base, like where is their base and everything. What you have to do, guys, is just go for a good base. At a good base only it will look good. If you don't want a base to be colored, like mine is orange and mixture of red, you can choose the picture also, guys. You can choose the picture also, make it blur, and then enter it, guys. Also, if you want to wait a second, if you want to add any of the stuff such as the cropped images or anything, suppose, guys, I enter it like this. Okay, and this hand of the crown purple skin is touching the Fall Guys, I can just simply click on the erase button and erase it, guys. That simple. If I like this is the not restored part, I will restore it from here, give it a little go, and look at it, guys. Look at it, how much dope it looks if it goes like this. It's your choice, guys, how you see the things and how you make the things like you, guys. You can choose anything. Okay, and I have to just click on the apply button. If I want to choose the brushes, I can choose the brushes, just the outer. I can make it like white also, you can change the color of it. Also one thing, guys, text is like some people like to add text, guys. Click on the text button, like click on live stream. Okay, live stream or any of the thing that you are doing, you can enter it here, guys. Enter it here anywhere you want. There are different styles of where you can add it. Like give it a go. On color you can choose, strokes you can add, and it will look like this, guys. If you will make the thumbnail, see how normal thumbnail looks better than any of the stuff, guys. Normal thumbnail looks so cool. If you will compare from any of the stuff, guys, it's look better. Okay, it looks better. So just have to click on the apply button. After it, guys, click on the next. It will show you an advertisement. Just click on the close button. Now it will say you that if you want to save it, just give it a save and download photo. Last advertisement, and it's saved to photos, guys. Your photo has been saved. This is how you make a simple thumbnail, guys, for any of the game. You can choose different types also. In the starting you must be thinking like it's looking bad, but now it is looking good. In my opinion, guys, it's looking so much dope. I added like this chipset skin that you are seeing over here, or the ninja skin extra, just to show you like you can add it. Otherwise I could have removed them also. So it's your choice, guys. It's your way. I'm just here to give you the idea, else the other things will be done by you only, guys. You have to select the other things and you have to go for it, guys. Okay, you have to go for it. Okay, so thanks for watching the video, guys. Please make sure to hit a like and subscribe button, guys. It will means a lot. And thanks for watching the video, guys. Means